Biden should integrate Bitcoin into the U.S. financial system. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Ali Raza at Inside Bitcoins and brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Niall Ferguson is a financial and economic historian in the United Kingdom, and he stated that the United States needs its own path when it comes to cryptocurrency adoption. Ferguson stated that the United States couldn't build its own versions of the electronic payment system that China has already developed. Now, this strange take was written on a Bloomberg opinion piece posted on Sunday. And in this piece, Ferguson highlighted the small silver lining in the ongoing pandemic for the cryptocurrency space, stating that it's accelerated adoption to a considerable degree. Ferguson said, this in turn has caused something of a global monetary revolution. But the historian couldn't help point out the rapid progress China's made on this front. The country is making increased use of digital payments and is already in the rollout stage for its digital yuan. WeChat Pay and Alipay, which are both China-based payment apps and reportedly handle about $40 trillion in transactions a year. Now, Ferguson is convinced that China's measures have been serving as a template for various other countries in the development of remittance payments and cross-border payment systems. Even so, the historian has staunched in his opinion that the United States shouldn't use this template. Ferguson explained that countries across the globe are building their own versions of the electronic payments system that China has already developed. This also applies to governments that are resisting China's financial penetration. A key example being India. As such, Ferguson urged against developing a Chinese-style digital dollar, urging the emerging Biden administration to recognize the benefits that could come from having the United States financial system having a Bitcoin integration. The historian highlighted how the United States authorities already boast ways to deal with Bitcoin enforcement. The Internal Revenue Service, in particular, now mandates that individuals declare their respective crypto holdings on their returns. Not all hiccups are cleared, though, as the IRS has started to pursue Coinbase users due to a miscommunication regarding the exchange's tax returns. Even the Federal Bureau of Investigation has its eyes on cryptocurrencies, tracking down the money laundering cases within the space. Ferguson explained that Bitcoin protects the financial data of law-abiding individuals far more than Alipay would. As for Biden's own views on cryptocurrency at large, including Bitcoin and central bank digital currencies, well, that's not quite known. Even so, there are small hints that his administration has the potential to guide the crypto space into a regulatory framework far more hospitable than the one in the U.S. currently. So, do you agree the U.S. should move into Bitcoin? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And, of course, this episode, well, it's brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. I really do recommend Swan Bitcoin to anyone and to all my friends that are interested in Bitcoin. As an advisor to Swan, I think it's a great way to start buying Bitcoin, and you can buy as little as $10 with dollar cost averaging. It really is amazing how quickly people start learning about Bitcoin once they own a little bit of it. So use my referral link, which is swanbitcoin.com/Gary, and you'll receive $10 worth of Bitcoin as a reward. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.